Hello, this is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will show you how to get started using Teams with step-by-step instructions on how to install Teams, and how to start communicating with your internal staff with chat rooms, Teams, channels, and video calls. If you have Microsoft Business Essentials or above, then your version of Office supports Microsoft Teams. If you're not sure what version of Office you have, watch episode 2 of our Teams playlist to find out. Go to your Start menu and either type in Teams and it will populate in the search window, or you can scroll through your applications till you reach Microsoft Teams. If neither of these methods show Teams for you, you can also install Teams off the internet. To do this, open an internet browser and go to teams.microsoft.com/downloads. This will bring you to Microsoft's webpage for downloading Teams. Click on the Download Teams button and the download will begin. Go to your Downloads folder on your computer to see the install file. Double-click on that file and Microsoft Teams will begin installing. Some prompts will show up for you to input your email information. First, put in your company email address. Select Work or School account if this window appears for you. Next, type in your email password. Now that you're signed into Teams, let's send a message to one of your coworkers. Go to the chat window on the left-hand side. Here, you may see some names of your coworkers or you may see nothing. To access people for chat, click on the chat button on the top left. This will open a new chat window for you to start with anyone that also has Teams. Start by either typing in their name or their email address. If they have Teams, then their name will populate and you can select them. Now that you have a new chat open, let's send a message. Go to the bottom of the window and select the chat box. You can type in any message here, whether it be good morning or inquiring on some project work. You can also send emojis by either typing out the emoji or by selecting the emoji window. You can also send GIFs and pictures. And if you're talking business, you can also send files and documents through chats as well. All files and pictures are saved in the File tab. Next, we will talk about how you can start conversations in Teams. Locate the Teams icon on the left-hand side and select the team and channel you want to access. In these channels, you can either post conversations or you can reply to conversations. You can also upload files to Teams and access them from your OneDrive. This is a great file sharing solution for departments when working remotely. You can add comments to your files and also share them with ease. In Teams, there are also wiki files. These are public documents for all team members to access, and you can create polls, ask questions, and can fill other needs. Teams also lets you do video and audio conferences as well. Below the text panel, there is a video icon. If you have questions using this video icon, we will explain them in more detail in an upcoming video. Thank you! And if you have any further questions on how to use Teams, or you need help setting up Teams, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.